Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Thank you so much guys. We'll eat this guys. Oh, iwas tayo sa mga baboy guys, mga pork. Ito tuna pa nga. Sarap to guys. Grilled tuna. Fried rice ang kanin ko guys. More garlic. Healthy. Healthy ang garlic. Ang oil hindi.